Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to midline of Lake Michigan City. Located along a line extending from 17 nautical miles west of the St. Joseph Flight to 20 nautical miles northwest of Michigan City, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source radar indicated. Impact, overturned and capsized boats. Locations impacted include New Buffalo. Mariners can expect gusty wind, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service office.